It's easy to program a key fob for your 2005 Ford Excursion. This process uses the vehicle's built-in programming mode, saving you money by avoiding dealership fees. First, ensure your Excursion is unlocked, all doors are closed, and no keys are in the ignition. Then, rapidly cycle the ignition key from off to on without starting the engine 4 times within a few seconds, ending with the key in the on position. You should hear a chime signaling that the vehicle has entered programming mode. You now have about 10 seconds to proceed to the next step. Immediately after hearing the chime, press any button on your key fob twice. You should hear another chime confirming that the fob has been successfully programmed. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat the button pressing step for each within the same 10-second window, up to a maximum of 4 fobs. Finally, turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Test all programmed fobs to ensure they are working correctly. If the programming fails, double-check that your fob is compatible with your Excursion's frequency and that the fob battery is fresh. You might also need to reset the system by disconnecting the vehicle's battery briefly before trying again. Forums like FordF150.net and YouTube tutorials can provide further troubleshooting tips. Remember, precise timing is key.